gonna go ahead and get this coaster rolling before I start rambling. But this is Andrew Stillwell from Coaster 101. I'm here at Loch Ness Monster Media Day at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. After 40 plus years, Busch Gardens Williamsburg has put a lot of, let's call it TLC, into this ride. They've replaced 900 feet of track with the help of Premier Rides. We've got some show scenes. So we got a little bit of a reverse POV right now. We're gonna just come out of the station. We're meandering around this corner. We've got a new show.
New team, welcome. We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore.
So we got a new show scene that kind of tells the story of the Loch Ness Monster. And now we are ascending the lift hill, and we're slowly but surely this lovely aero coaster. Like I said, more than 40 years of history here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Still the only coaster with interlocking loops, and I know they replaced bits and pieces of one of those loops this off season. So we are headed up atop the lift hill before we descend down towards the Rhine River. And I'm just gonna take in some scenery. All right, so we've crested the top of the lift hill now. We are getting ready to make about a 90-degree right bank turn, and we are headed down towards the river. Let's hang on. It's fresh track, freshly painted, and here we go. Whoa! And we're up, and we're back. About to go back down towards the river, go through that first loop. There we go. Oh! Don't know if you can see it down there. We might be able to see it later. There is a new statue of the Loch Ness Monster, or sculpture. We're getting ready to go into the Helix Cave right now, which I'm told has some new lighting and sound effects. We got some screens, we got lights, we got noise. Busch Gardens Williamsburg before, you'll know that cave was famously, there was nothing really going on in there. We've got LED screens now, we've got sound effects, lots of lighting effects. I bet that thing is going to look crazy at night. We've come up the second lift hill, about to go through that second loop. Here we go. Oh wow, that statue is right there. Whoa! We've come through a new exit scene, the Loch Ness Expedition. But yeah, thanks for riding, and check out coaster101.com for more information. See ya.